Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we are comparing Airbnbs and resorts and which one is better for a vacation. Now, in a previous video we've spoken about Airbnbs and hotels. In this one we're going to be speaking about Airbnbs and resorts. Now, as you all might be aware, Airbnbs are more of a guest house type service where you can practically rent an apartment or a house and you can enjoy all the luxuries of a house as you please. Though keep in mind, there are no services, no staff, and no breakfast, lunch, or dinners provided by an Airbnb service. Whereas in a resort, you are provided with a hotel like status, plus you have certain leisure activities. For example, it could be skiing, it could be golf, it could be some type of sport activity. Resorts are more tended towards people who are into activities, whereas an Airbnb is just a simple house or an apartment that you can rent out for as long as you please. Resorts come with a full 24/7 staff. They provide breakfast, lunch, and dinner, whereas again, an Airbnb, it is entirely upon you. So at the end of the day, which one is better for a vacation? I'd have to say a resort because they provide amazing services, breakfast, lunch, dinner, as well as fun and active activities for you and whoever you take with you. Whereas an Airbnb, you're simply on your own to do as you please in your own designated apartment and house. Thank you for watching. I hope this video was helpful. Goodbye.